1. Cook your own meals. Take back control. 2. Build mental toughness. Do hard things daily. 3. Go for daily walks. Clear your head. 4. Train your body hard. Push your limits. 5. Master your mind. Stay sharp and focused. 6. Read to grow daily. Learn every day. 7. Plan your life intentionally. Live with purpose. 8. Learn digital skills. Create real opportunities. 9. Build your own business. Own what you create. 10. Improve how you speak. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. 11. Learn a new language. Unlock new worlds. 12. Capture moments. Notice what others miss. 13. Draw and create freely. Use your imagination. 14. Learn to play music. Practice patience. 15. Upgrade your personal style. Show self-respect. 16. Play chess strategically. Think before you move. 17. Watch educational documentaries. Understand the real world. 18. Try a completely new sport. Challenge yourself. 19. Discover new music daily. Feed your mind. 20. Follow people who inspire you. Learn from their path. Your alone time is power. Use it. Your alone time is your weapon. Keep building. Subscribe for more tips.